In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a market order to buy a stock on Robinhood. If you're new to the app or just want a clear walkthrough, you're in the right place. We'll move from finding a stock to submitting a market order, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you want to buy. You can use the search bar to enter the company name or ticker symbol. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct stock page by checking the ticker, the company name, and the price chart. It's always a good habit to make sure you've selected the right security before moving forward. Next, tap Trade or Buy. Depending on the screen you're on, you might see either option, both lead you to the order ticket. If you see a menu after tapping Trade, choose Buy. This opens the place where you'll customize your order. Now decide whether you want to buy by dollars or by shares. Buying by dollars lets you purchase fractional shares, which can be helpful if the stock price is high and you want to invest a specific amount. Buying by shares means you'll specify the exact number of whole shares. Either way is fine. Choose the approach that matches your plan. Select market order. This is typically the default and is designed for instant execution during regular market hours at the best available price. A market order prioritizes getting filled quickly, not at a specific price. If you're placing the order outside market hours, it may be queued for when the market opens, and execution timing can vary. Enter the amount you want to invest if you're buying by dollars, or enter the number of shares if you chose shares. Make sure you have enough buying power in your account to cover the purchase. It's also a good moment to double check that the amount reflects your intention, especially if you switched between dollars and shares. Review your order carefully. The preview will show an estimated share amount or total cost based on the current quote. When everything looks correct, swipe up to submit. The app will confirm once your order has been placed, and if the market is open, you'll typically see a quick fill. Finally, remember that market orders execute at the best available price, which may differ slightly from the quote you saw. This difference is normal and is called slippage. If price control is important to you, consider learning about limit orders for future trades. As always, invest thoughtfully and only with money you're comfortable putting at risk.